to another video on how to use ChatGPT. This one is about how to optimize your soft life. We'll guide you through 21 everyday uses, all with prompts, topics, and suggestions to help you use ChatGPT in your everyday life. The topics range from creating a fitness plan to writing jokes and poems, reviewing your resume, recipes, and more. So let's jump in and let ChatGPT help you live a more enjoyable life. ChatGPT is with you every step of the way. Topic 5, creative writing. Have you ever been in the mood to write a poem, an essay, a sonnet, a song, a lyric? Well, you could use ChatGPT to write the lyrics for you. You can go back and forth in your creative process and just have fun with it. You can write poems and songs about any topic, or even a really cool story with you and your favorite person. My story would be about a frog. You can be super creative with ChatGPT's help with the creative writing process. So I've gone to chat.openai.com. You click login. If you haven't logged in before, you can just set up. I've just logged in with my Google account, so I am just going to log in that way. Just start typing. What type of information can I give you so that you're the most helpful for me? Be specific, give some background context, give details and requirements, questions and prompts, and clarification. So ask those follow-up questions, and just remember that there's a cutoff for information after September 2021. Topic 5, creative writing. One of my friends just got a promotion, and I thought it would be really cool to write them a poem. Can you help me get started? Oh wow. I mean, I might fall in love with myself after reading this. It's so good. I love turtles. So I asked ChatGPT if it can help me write a short story about magic millionaire turtles. Ooh, the Lost Shell Quest. The Secret Society of Turtle Mancers. The Turtle's Witch. I love it. Whatever story idea you can say. It's a romance story, it's a drama, it's a horror film. Whatever the case is anime. And let your creativity soar. Say you just want basic professional development skills, you could just ask it, how can I be better? Read more, write regularly, expand your vocabulary, be concise and clear. If you want general professional development, you can get lists of strategies from ChatGPT directly. You could use ChatGPT to overcome writer's block and find inspiration for any kind of creative project. You can use ChatGPT to receive feedback and suggestions to refine your writing. So always cut and paste little snippets and let it tell me what to do to be better. And you could use it to develop your own unique writing style and captivate your readers. In this series, we go through 21 ways to leverage AI to enhance your soft life. To assist you, I created an ebook that goes through all 21 topics paired with 3 prompts per topic, giving you 63 ways to use ChatGPT to enhance your soft life. Please check the link in the description to download your free copy today.